Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Speak It Simple. My name is Khaleel.
And I'm Darlianah. Hi guys.
Today we're going to have a real casual conversation, like two friends talking.
Yep, and the topic is simple but super useful. We're going to talk about our weekend.
And we're going to practice past tense without making it feel like a grammar class.
Exactly, just normal English. Slow, clear, and easy.
All right, so Darlianah, how was your weekend?
My weekend was honestly really nice. Not perfect, but nice.
That sounds good. What did you do?
Okay, let me think for a moment. On Saturday morning, I woke up kind of early.
Early for you means what, like 8?
Wow, you know me too well. Yes, I woke up at 8, and I stayed in bed for like 15 minutes.
15 minutes is not bad.
I know, I felt proud. Then I got up, I made coffee, and I made toast. Very simple.
Nice. I love simple breakfasts.
Me too. Then I cleaned my apartment a little.
Oh, you cleaned? Who are you?
Stop. I cleaned because my friend came over later.
Ah, that makes sense. The company is coming cleaning.
Yes, the fastest, strongest cleaning. I cleaned the living room, I washed the dishes, and I took out the trash.
That's a lot already.
Yeah, but I didn't clean my closet.
Nobody cleans the closet.
Exactly. It's a secret place.
So your friend came over?
Yeah, my friend Marissa came over around noon. We didn't do anything crazy, we just talked.
Just talking is nice. What did you talk about?
We talked about work, we talked about her new boyfriend.
Uh-oh.
It's not uh-oh, he seems okay. But you know, new relationships are always a little dramatic.
True. When it's new, everything feels like a big deal.
Yes, like if he doesn't text back in 10 minutes, it's like, does he hate me now?
I remember that feeling.
Right? So we talked about that. And then we ordered lunch.
What did you get?
We got Thai food. I ate pad Thai and I got spring rolls.
Oh, wow. That's a good weekend already.
It was so good, but I ate too much.
That's part of the weekend lifestyle.
Yeah, after lunch we watched a movie.
What movie?
It was a funny movie, but also kind of emotional. It made me laugh, and then it made me cry a little.
You cried?
Don't judge me. Yes, I cried.
I'm not judging. What was the movie?
It was Inside Out. Have you seen it?
Oh, come on. That movie is dangerous.
Exactly. It looks like a kid's movie, but it hits your heart.
It really does. Okay, so Saturday was cozy.
Very cozy. Then Marissa left around 5.
And what did you do after she left?
I felt tired, so I laid on the couch and I scrolled on my phone for a long time.
The modern hobby.
I know, it's bad, but it felt relaxing.
Did you cook dinner?
No, I didn't. I ate leftovers.
Leftovers are honest.
Yes, I ate the rest of the pad Thai. Then I took a shower and I went to bed around 11.
Sounds like a solid Saturday.
It was. What about you? How was your weekend?
My weekend was a little messy, but fun.
Messy? Like emotionally messy, or your house was messy?
Both, maybe. Okay, on Saturday, I woke up late.
Late?
Yeah, I woke up at like 10:30.
Wow, you really slept.
I did. I stayed up too late on Friday night.
What did you do Friday night?
I played video games with my cousin online.
Oh, that's fun.
It was fun, but we said one more game like 10 times.
That's always the lie. One more.
Exactly. So Saturday morning, I woke up, I felt lazy, and I ordered breakfast.
You ordered breakfast? Fancy.
Not fancy. I ordered pancakes and eggs from a local diner.
That sounds amazing.
It was really good. Then I had to do something annoying.
Uh-oh, what?
I went to the DMV.
No, the DMV on a weekend?
Yeah, I had to renew my driver's license.
How was it? Was it horrible?
Honestly, it was not as bad as I expected.
Wow, that's rare.
I know. I waited for like 30 minutes.
That's actually okay.
Yeah, but the picture was terrible.
DMV pictures are never good.
Never. The camera was like too close to my face. I looked stressed.
You probably looked normal.
No, I looked like I just ran a marathon and then cried.
Stop. That's so dramatic.
It's true. Okay, so after the DMV, I met my friend Jason.
What did you guys do?
We went to a basketball game at the local gym.
You played or you watched?
We played.
Oh, nice. How was it?
It was fun, but I was out of shape.
Be honest. Were you tired?
I was tired after 5 minutes.
5 minutes?
I know. I tried to act cool, but inside I was like, please give me water.
Did you win?
My team won, but I didn't do much. I mostly passed the ball.
Passing is helpful.
Thank you. You're being nice.
I'm being honest.
After that, we grabbed food. We went to a burger place.
Oh, wow. Thai food for me, burgers for you. Good weekend food.
Yes, I ate a cheeseburger and fries.
Did you get a milkshake?
I wanted one, but I didn't.
Why not?
Because I'm trying to be healthy.
But you ate fries.
I said I'm trying. I didn't say I'm succeeding.
That's fair.
Then, Saturday night, I went home, I watched YouTube, and I fell asleep on the couch.
That is such a real sentence. I fell asleep on the couch.
It happens. And when I woke up, it was 2 a.m.
And you felt confused?
Very confused. I was like, what year is it?
I hate that feeling.
Then I walked to my bed and I slept again.
Okay, that was Saturday. What about Sunday?
Sunday was calmer. I woke up around 9.
That's better.
Yeah, I made coffee at home and I cooked eggs.
Look at you, cooking.
I know. I felt like an adult. Then I did laundry.
Laundry on Sunday feels very normal.
It does, but I made one mistake.
What did you do?
I forgot a pen in my pocket.
Oh no.
Yep, the pen exploded.
Like ink everywhere?
Ink everywhere. My white t-shirt became modern art.
Oh my gosh, that's horrible, but also kind of funny.
It was funny after I calmed down. In the moment, I was upset.
I understand. I would be upset too.
Yeah, I tried to clean it. I used soap, I used water, nothing worked.
So you lost the shirt?
Yeah, the shirt is gone. Rest in peace.
Moment of silence for the shirt.
Thank you.
So after laundry, what did you do?
I visited my mom.
Oh, that's sweet.
Yeah, I went to her house around 2 o'clock. She made food, of course.
Moms always make food.
Always. She made chicken, rice, and salad. And she gave me extra food to take home.
That's love. Extra food is love.
It really is. We talked for a while. She asked me a million questions.
Like what?
Like, are you eating enough vegetables? Are you saving money? Are you okay?
Moms worry.
They do. But it was nice. It made me feel cared for.
That's sweet. On Sunday, I also did something kind of responsible.
Oh yeah? What did you do?
I went grocery shopping.
That is responsible.
I didn't want to go, but my fridge was empty. What did you buy? I bought eggs, bread, chicken, rice.
Copying your mom's meal.
Maybe. I also bought fruit. I bought apples and bananas.
Nice. Did you buy snacks?
Yes, I bought cookies.
There it is.
I needed something fun.
So after shopping, what happened?
I came home and I meal prepped a little.
Meal prep. Look at you.
I know. I cooked chicken and rice for the week. It took like an hour.
But then your week becomes easier.
Exactly. Then I watched a show and relaxed.
Which show did you watch?
I watched a reality show. It was kinda silly.
Which one?
Love is Blind.
Oh no, that show is crazy.
It is, but I couldn't stop watching.
I get it. Sometimes you want serious shows, sometimes you want silly shows.
Yes, my brain needed a break.
So overall, your weekend was calm and cozy.
Yeah, and your weekend was active and slightly tragic because of the shirt.
Exactly.
Okay, let's help the viewers a little. Let's repeat some past tense sentences.
Good idea. I'll say one, then you say one.
Okay.
On Saturday, I went to the DMV.
On Saturday, I cleaned my apartment.
I played basketball with my friend.
I ordered Thai food for lunch.
I fell asleep on the couch.
I watched a movie and I cried a little.
That one is very honest.
Very honest.
Here's a question for you, Darlianah. What was the best part of your weekend?
The best part was spending time with my friend. We laughed a lot. It felt warm, you know?
Yeah, I know that feeling. What about the worst part?
The worst part was realizing Sunday night came so fast.
Yes, Sunday night is like, oh no, tomorrow is Monday.
Exactly. And you? Best part?
The best part was visiting my mom. It made me feel calm.
Aw.
The worst part was the laundry accident and also being tired during basketball.
Next weekend, you can drink more water and stretch.
Wow, Coach Darlianah.
I'm just saying.
You're right, though.
You know what I like about weekends?
What?
Weekends don't have to be perfect. Even small things feel good. Like coffee, like cleaning, like talking to a friend.
Yeah, and sometimes you do nothing, and that's okay too.
Totally. Rest is important.
Also, weekends give you stories.
True. Even the pen explosion became a story.
Sadly, yes.
So, viewers, here's a simple practice idea. Tonight, say 5 past tense sentences about your weekend.
Yes, keep it easy. For example, I woke up at, I ate, I went, I watched, I talked.
And if you stayed home, you can still practice. You can say, I stayed home. I rested. I played games. I cooked food.
Simple English, real life. That's the goal.
And remember, your English doesn't need to be perfect. Just keep speaking.
Yeah, little by little, you get better.
So, Khaleel, are you ready for the new week?
I'm kinda ready, kinda not ready.
Same, but we can do it.
We can. And hey, next weekend, I'm getting that milkshake.
Yes, please do. Life is short.
Exactly.
All right, before we go, we have something important for you.
If you want to practice speaking every day, come join our Telegram channel.
It's called Speak It Simple, and it's not boring. We post daily lessons that are short, clear, and useful.
You'll get everyday English, simple conversations, and practice prompts so you can speak faster and feel more confident.
And the best part is, you won't feel alone. You can learn with other learners, step by step, every day.
If you join and follow the daily lessons, you will improve so much, and you'll master English way faster than studying one time per week.
The link to join is down in the video description, and it's also pinned in the comments section.
Click it, join Speak It Simple, and start practicing with us today.
We'll be waiting for you in the channel. See you next time.
Bye.